What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Since we're all stuck at home, today I thought I'd share my top 5 favorite free-to-play PC games, and these will work on just about any PC regardless of how powerful it is. So without further ado, number 1 on the list is Phantasy Star Online Blue Burst. Technically this game is abandonware, but a loyal group of folks have taken it upon themselves to run their own servers across the globe for this fantastic sci-fi MMORPG. You can download the game freely from their website. They have a very active forum and a large player base. When I got on to record this clip, there were over 100 people playing. The game has tons of unique maps, weapons, spells, and missions spanning 4 different difficulty levels, and I highly recommend you give it a try. Next up on the list is eclipse. This open source first-person shooter mixes the usual guns and swords with parkour elements. It lets you wall run, dash, and jump, making for some very interesting gameplay. The mode I'm playing here in this video clip is swords only, which is also a ton of fun. In my experience, the player base for this one isn't very large, but there has always been a few people on, and the game itself is fantastic. Third, we have the game that eclipse is based on, 𝙂𝙀𝘼𝘍 Sauerbraten. This game is still very popular with tons of servers. It's open source and has been around for a long time now. The mode I'm playing here is capture the flag, one shot, one kill with rifles only. It's dead simple, crazy challenging, and loads of fun. The rock track in the background is very catchy, and this game also works on PowerPC Max. I've played this game for years now, and I cannot recommend it enough. Fourth is a game you've probably heard of, Raft. Now, the new Steam version of Raft is $20, but you can still grab the original version for free. This is a very simple game where you try to survive on a raft floating at sea. You'll have to grab debris floating by to build things with, try not to starve to death, all while fending off a shark who's trying to eat you and your raft. It's both challenging and addictive. And last but not least is Floating Point. The only Steam game on the list here today, Floating Point is just what it says. You have to keep a small point swinging through the air to get to the red bars while avoiding hitting the bricks. It's a simple momentum-based game with a calming soundtrack and atmosphere. It's not something you have to pour hours into, but it's great to just pick up and play. And that wraps up our list for today. If you tried any of these games, let me know what you thought of them down in the comments section below, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit like, get subscribed, and ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.